In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Stripe in Activecampaign automation. To get started, you will be working inside your Activecampaign account. The goal is to connect Stripe so you can use billing and payment events within your automation workflows. Before you begin, make sure you are logged in and able to access both platforms in your browser, since you will move between Activecampaign and Stripe during the setup. First, log into your Activecampaign account. Once you are signed in, take a moment to confirm you are on the main dashboard or the main navigation area. This helps ensure you are in the correct place before you search for the app integration. You will typically see menus along the top or side of the screen, and your profile icon should be available for navigation. Next, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner and select Apps. This is an important step because it takes you to the area where Activecampaign manages connected applications. When you click the profile icon, a small menu should appear. From that menu, look for the option labeled Apps. Selecting this will bring you to the page that lists integrations and app connections. After you are on the app screen, search for Stripe. Use the search field if there is one, and type Stripe so the integration appears quickly. This step matters because it ensures you are selecting the correct app rather than browsing through unrelated integrations. When you see Stripe show up in the results, click Add an Account and Connect. This tells Activecampaign that you want to create a connection to your Stripe account. At this point, Activecampaign will likely open a connection flow or redirect you to Stripe. Your next task is to log into your Stripe account. Make sure you use the same browser tab or the prompted window that is part of the integration flow. When you reach the Stripe sign-in page, enter your credentials and complete the login process. Keep an eye on the page title or the domain to ensure you are viewing the official Stripe login screen. Once you are logged into Stripe, you will be asked to authorize the integration. Authorization is the step where Stripe grants Activecampaign permission to access what it needs for the connection. Follow the prompts on the screen and confirm the authorization request. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your Stripe settings, but the idea is the same. Stripe will show you that Activecampaign is requesting permission to connect, and you must approve that request. After authorization completes, return to your Activecampaign account. At this stage, Activecampaign should show that Stripe is connected, or it may display a confirmation that the account has been added successfully. If there is a status indicator, make sure it reads as connected, active, or successfully authorized. This ensures the integration will work when you build or run automations later. Now that Stripe is installed, the main setup work is done. You have connected the two platforms so Activecampaign can reference Stripe payment and billing activity within your automation logic. If you do not see the connection status immediately, give the page a moment to refresh, since some dashboards update after the authorization process finishes. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.